Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to explore one category of XSS or cross-site scripting attack, which is reflect over HTTP GET. You will know what I mean when we get there. I will explain and demonstrate everything in detail for you guys. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then, let's head over to Linux VM to begin. Let me start from scratch. And so now we are in A3 section. The first one is reflect get a method. I think I'd like to change the level to low. Okay, and we can choose the bug. What we are going to do in this video, yes, this one. So here we can enter your first and the last name, like JSON 1. Go. And you know what we input will be reflect or will be displayed on the same page. So this is a very possible indicator that this page is vulnerable to XSS or cross-site scripting attack. Okay, so let me put or use some payload to test, because now we are in low security levels. This would be very easy. For example, I'd like to use, maybe I can, yes, script and script. And we can alert something like JSON. And here you can use the same payload and go use. Oh, why it's not? So the low secret level. Why it's not displayed? Or we didn't get pop window. So alert JSON. Okay. Go. Oh yes. So you see, the JavaScript code has been executed, just what we expected. Okay. Of course, you can do more. For example, you can get the cookie. We can script. Maybe I can use the book. For example, like script and script. And we can access the cookie. Alert document cookie. And we can copy. Paste over here. Okay. Go. Yeah, indeed, we can get the cookie of current user. If you want, of course, this is not attacker aims to do. Hacker or attacker will always try to retrieve the cookie of or session ID of the victim. Okay, so this means we need to transfer the cookie from the victim to our controlled machine like Linux. Okay, to do that, we can set up a web server. We can set up a web server with Python 3. Okay, and now we can use, like, we can copy, and then we can use like because the low security level doesn't have any control or filter in place. So we can, for example, we can use the fetch, or we can use Windows location. Fetch is good, and if it's not filtered or if it's not blocked. So now HTTP IP address of Linux, port number, and so we can cookie. document cookie. Okay, let me copy and paste over here. Go. Indeed, we successfully retrieved, or attacker successfully retrieve the session ID, I mean the cookie of the victim. Okay, and then the next problem for attacker is to construct the, for example, like a malicious link, and invite victim to click the link, and then the payload will be working and transfer cookie from the victim machine to like attacking machine. Okay, so now let's go back to the browser and escalate the level to medium. If you check the source code of this application, you can go to bWAPP, and you will know medium secure level is using this function, and this function will escape the single quote, double quote, and the backslash, okay, by @slashes. So this, this means if you use the payload what we used for the low security level will not work, okay, but this can be easily bypassed. Just you can see over here, do not use this function or filter for XSS validations. Let me go back to Linux. For example, if you use the we used before, the payload script and alert JSON, and this will not work. Why? Maybe we can copy, and you know what I mean. You see, the pop-up window is not shown up. Why? Because of the function of the server. This backslash will be added, and this will let JavaScript filter to execute the code. Okay, but if we put, or if we supply the payload which does not contain like a single quote, double quotes, or backslash, the payload still can work. Okay, can still work. Also, we can, for example, like use like the single, although single quote would be filtered or blocked, we can use the back tick. Okay, and this can easily bypass a filter. Okay, also we can encode the payload, so this we can bypass the filter of the server of the application. Let me show you. Actually, even for example, this payload doesn't contain any single quote, double quotes, or backslash, so this payload still can work. Okay, even we do not need to do any special processing. Okay, and for example, we can paste in here. You see, we still can access the cookie. And if you want to, of course, we cannot use this way to transfer cookie, because here the payload contains single quote. So now if we copy and put into the field or the box, and if you check the web server, you see our web server failed to receive cookie from the victim machine. But again, just as I said, we can easily bypass using this way. Maybe we can copy, and we can replace a single quote with backtick, and also this one. Okay, now let me copy and go. You see, this time we can get a cookie without any problem. Okay. Alternatively, we can use some sort of encoding. For example, like we can use this from char or something. I need to use Google to make some research. But anyway, we have already completed the medium secret level. And if we, escalate the level to high, and this way will not work. For example, we can copy. Why? Because this time, if you go to bbox, it's using another function. Yes, this one. And this function will use this HTML special characters. So like this one will be escaped, and also double quotes, single quote, and so how do I call it? The triangular bracket. Okay, so it's not easy to bypass the high secret level. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.